Hello everybody, this is Caitlin with the Twinsburg Library here for another story and science. And today we're going to be talking about some of the most amazing people, nurses. So we're going to read about nurses and then we're going to do a fun science experiment where we're going to make our own stethoscope with things we have around the house. And then I'm going to listen to my dog Kitty's heartbeat. So let's get started. All right, we're going to read nurses who are community helpers, and we want to thank Scholastic for letting us read the story today. Time for a shot. Maria holds her mom's hand. The nurse says the shot will barely hurt. After the nurse gives Maria a bandage, that was not so bad. Have you guys ever had a shot? I know Miss Caitlin's had a lot of shots. Then they do hurt a little bit. What are nurses? Nurses care for sick and injured people. They keep patients healthy. That's who they're helping. The people that they help are called patients. Most nurses work in hospitals or clinics. Others work in schools and visit homes. What do nurses do? Nurses check patient health. They look for signs of injury and sickness. And here's the nurse gear. They wear scrubs. They use a stethoscope, a thermometer, and blood pressure monitor. We're going to play with that stethoscope later. Nurses give medicine to patients. Then they track how it changes their health. Nurses often make care plans with doctors. They help patients understand the plans. What makes a good nurse? Nurses listen carefully. They teach people how to care for themselves. A nurse skills is that they're good communicators, they're friendly, good listeners, and caring. Nurses are also caring. They help people get better. The end. So there we go. We're just talking all about the nurses. You guys ready to make a stethoscope? For this experiment, it's super easy. And you can make it more complicated if you want to, but all you really need is a paper towel tube. Well, the toilet paper tubes kind of work, but they work better with the longer that they are. And then you can either use a balloon or a plastic cup, a funnel, which I don't have, or you can make a funnel out of paper. So right now I'm going to show you how to do it with a cup. So you want to use a paper cup, or like this is a styrofoam cup. All you're going to do is you're going to take your paper towel tube, you're going to put it on top, you're going to mark it and trace it around, and then very carefully, you might want to have your parents help, you're going to want to stab it very carefully, and then you're going to cut around in a circle so you can see it looks like that. And all you have to do is you're going to take your paper towel tube, and you can see I taped it from inside so that way it ends up with the cup and the tube. So that's one way. If you have a funnel, or you can make a paper funnel, all you have to do is tape that at the end. Even easier. Or if you have a balloon, all you have to do is snip right here, right at where that neck meets, and you're going to stretch that over your tube and tape it up. Now, do you guys think you can hear a heartbeat with this thing? I bet you can. So, I need someone to listen to my heartbeat, or someone to listen to their heartbeat. So I've got Kitty! Kitty is my dog, who has a very fast heartbeat, especially when mommy's sticking things on her. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to keep her nice and calm, say, oh, that's a good puppers. I'm going to lay her on her back, like so. And you can do this with mom or dad or siblings, or if you have your own dog, that works too. And all you have to do is that you're going to take this, you're going to put it right on their chest, you're going to put your ear on the other end, and I can hear her heartbeat. And it's the same thing with this. You put the balloon end on their chest, stick your hair on it, and I hear it going thumpa thumpa thumpa. And there you go. You can pretend to be a nurse with your very own stethoscope and try and make your little friends feel better. We're going to say bye. Thanks for watching.